Hello everyone, this is Meli. It's great that you're here. Today I'm designing a layout for Bramble Fox again, using these arrows with the words awesome and memories. I'll build the layout so that the left side is blue and the right side is rose. For the layout, I use the HKC Club Kit from May 2021, as well as a few decorations from my stash. The photo was taken at a crop in 2019, and you cannot imagine how much I'm looking forward to finally being able to visit such events again. I miss my crafty friends so much. As you can see, I'm starting to cut out the blue and pink parts from the striped design paper in order to attach them later between the pattern paper. That calms the whole thing down a bit. I want to arrange the papers so that it looks like they're opening to the right and left. I cut the paper with my metal ruler because I want to distress the edges anyway, and I only cut individual remnants with a paper cutter. The paper is now glued on, and as I said before, I distressed the edges. I recommend you to leave out the areas on which you want to stick the photo and decorations later. You can distress these afterwards. I also use vellum for the photo on this layout so that the transition between photo and design paper is a little smoother. When positioning the photo, I make sure that there's enough space on the right and on the left for the arrows. And then I stick it down with adhesive dimensional pads. I leave a corner disappear behind the paper. To stick the photo straight on, I use a T-ruler to help. Now I put the decorations on the layout. First, without gluing, to get an overview. When I'm satisfied with the arrangement, I glue everything down, and today I also use adhesive spacer pads for the perspectives so that they stick to the decorations and roughened edges. Otherwise, it actually works best if you use tacky glue. Now I add a cord to the tag and also attach some thread. I also add a heart and some banners from the new page collection. And now I roughen the remaining edges with a distress tool, and of course I find a couple of matching enamel dots that I always need as the final touch. I hope you had a lot of fun watching, and I wish you a great weekend and hope we have nice weather. Hopefully you will be there again next time. Until then, stay healthy. Yours, Meli.